Did you ever?
No, I didn't. As I said, I liked it, but I didn't know people would like it, and thankfully everybody likes it. And how? Yeah, baap re.
Tell me, when you came together, how was that? Because acting is collaborative.
Yeah.
I've heard actors say we're as good as a co-actor. You know, you fend off each other's energy.
I say an actor is as good as a director allows him to be. Director pe pill bhar do. But yeah, it's true. Under the belt, but it's true. I say that. Okay, as far as actors go, I would say you have two good actors. Okay, without ego, you have a fabulous chemistry. You have two actors, probably decent actors, ego, problem. You have two bad actors, problem. So basically, you need this equation to be right. You need two good actors, shouldn't have ego. You're fine. We did first day of shoot, and it looked like we worked many films together. Didn't matter at all. Fatak karke, bang, we were there. Absolutely. No issues.
Jitendra must be a dream come true. We've all loved his.
It's a dream that didn't want to come true. It has come true. It is a nightmare.
है बिल्कुल, मतलब मैं जब भी जिन एक्टर्स को मैंने स्क्रीन पे देखा है, जो कैरेक्टर्स मैंने चेरिश किए हैं थ्रू आउट लाइफ, उन लोगों के साथ मैं अगर काम करता हूँ तो हमेशा अच्छा फील होता है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स सर के साथ भी वैसा ही सीन है, हमेशा फैन रहे.
Tell me one thing you observed in his prep, his performance that you've just noticed and seen.
Like very great switch on between camera and off screen. हाँ, तो वो बड़ा अच्छा है, वो काफी मजेदार है. वो एक्चुअली सीखने वाली बात है जो जनरली होता नहीं है.
मैं बताऊँ कौन है और ऐसा, करीना. You should see her acting. She is like this यार. वो एक ऐसे मतलब बिल्कुल एक्शन के पहले ऐसी रहती है.
बहुत लोगों में नहीं होता है.
She is so like this यार, full of energy, and then सब करके she just all that just sits down. It's like ये वही है ना. ऐसी है वो.
Okay, we want to play a game. It's just called Under Oath. कि आप जो बोलेंगे सच बोलेंगे बस.
ओह ये से बड़ा आप जो झूठ बोलना मैं शुरू करूँगा देखना.
Okay, what's harder? A one-take emotional scene or 5 hours of promotions?
What's harder? 5 hours of promotion. तू बोल.
हाँ,
करेक्ट ना.
हाँ, करेक्ट.
आप जो प्रेशर में वो
मैं कुछ प्रेशर
हमेशा
हम लोग भी शेयर अ ब्रेन.
Which director intimidates you?
Which director? The one who can't direct. or a director who thinks he can act. That is worse.
जो एक्टिंग करके दिखाई जाती है वहाँ
बड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो
वहाँ
जाता
डर
है.
जाते हैं.
भाई ये काम मुझ पे छोड़ दे प्लीज.
ये नहीं हो पाएगा.
ना तुमसे हो रहा ना हमसे हो पाएगा.
I love this. Okay. Have you ever messaged loved your performance to someone whose work you didn't actually like?
No, I haven't done it.
You never?
No, never done
When
it.
you're invited to these fancy screenings?
No. I learned this long time at the beginning of my career. A very great lady by the name of Jaya Bachchan taught me. I came out of a movie after a trial and I said, I hate this movie. She said, don't ever say that again. Go home and tell your wife. I said, no, I would never do that. I'd never do that. I have consciously told people, actors, not about the acting, but I've told them I didn't enjoy a film. That I've done. I've done that to people, and that's because I care. The ones I don't care about, I don't tell. If I know, say, I know Jeetu very well. If I didn't like his film, I will tell him.
So honest feedback for close ones.
Close ones. Yeah. Because the ones I like, ones I'm fond of, I'll tell them कि बस यार ये picture मत किया कर, अच्छी नहीं.
नहीं, मतलब मुझे लगता है कि मैं जहाँ से आता हूँ, मुझे फिल्म में कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा लगता है हमेशा, तो मैं उसकी बातें करता हूँ कि भाई फिल्म में वो बढ़िया चीज़ थी, और उसकी बातें करके फिर
ये बड़ा होकर पॉलिटिशियन बनेगा.
Okay, when do you feel like that's it? Now my Rakshas mode is on.
Incompetency makes me feel like that. Otherwise, I'm fine.
ये तो politician ये तो दिख ही रहा है. Okay, what's a harmless lie that you say?
It's a script है यार. What a film.
Okay, and how tough or easy is it for you to say no? We've heard actors.
Oh, it's very difficult.
It's tough.
It's very difficult. Very difficult to say no, criticize, वगैरह. Anything
but
that
film that is offered to you, you can say no. And
we have to work around it. I have been honest, and that has not been very nice. Honesty doesn't work. Honesty doesn't work. See, there are aspects to it, because just because you don't like it doesn't mean it's bad. One aspect. Okay? Somebody has really worked hard on it, so you got to give that, respect that भैया इसने काम किया. भले से गलत काम किया बट किया तो है यार, वक्त बिताया है, तो वो सारी चीज़ें सोचना पड़ता है, तो इसके लिए थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है ना बोलने, बट आई थिंक फॉर योर सैनिटी ना बोलना बहुत ज़रूरी है।
So no, you मतलब शर्मो शर्मी में करी नहीं है फिल्म, ना बोली है।
बोला है, हाँ बहुत बार बोला, बहुत बार।
Is it easy for you?
नहीं, मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही मुश्किल है, मतलब एक्टिंग करने आए हो और फिर इतने सारे जब ऑफर आते हैं तो तुम हमेशा 4 बार सोचते हो कि मतलब मना किस वजह पे करूं या किस तरीके से करूं। और सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये होती है कि एक्चुअली जितना भी काम किया उसके बारे में तुम्हें ये नहीं पता था कि ये इस तरह से वर्क करेगा, तुमने बस फेथ दिखाया और वो किया एंड इट वर्क्स। तो तुम्हारे पर ये भी हमेशा डाउट तो रहता है कि क्या अगर मना कर रहे हो और ऑफ कोर्स ऐसा ना हो कि तुम कोई अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट तुम्हारे हाथ से चले जाए, तो इन जनरल ओवरऑल बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है टू से नो टू अ स्क्रिप्ट।
तो ये भागवत में कहाँ से ये शेड्स नजर आए उन्हें?
नहीं, आई थिंक
And you must have been happy. You're like, yeah, finally. You know,
मुझे
I'm
लगता है कि
testing my.
कहानी जो है बहुत रियल इंसिडेंट पे बेस्ड है, तो और जो जिस कैरेक्टर पे बेस्ड है उनका उसका जो परसेप्शन है, मतलब ऑफ कोर्स डायरेक्टर्स मिले भी हैं उनसे, ठीक है, बातें भी की उनसे, तो उनका जो वो बहुत कॉमन मैन लुकिंग एंड रेगुलर ट्रेट्स हैं उनके, कि कोई भी ऐसे पहचान नहीं पाएगा कि हाँ दिस गाय कैन डू दिस। सो ऑफ कोर्स मैंने पिछले कैरेक्टर्स किए हैं और वो उनमें कहीं ना कहीं कॉमन मैन वाले ट्रेट्स थे, तो ऑफ कोर्स वो कहीं ना कहीं वहीं से आएगी। We will continue with this thing.
Dialogue बाजी भी है।
Statistically, maximum जो serial killers होते हैं, they look very normal. They look very normal. Boy
I get
next
it.
door.
I totally
Like
understand.
that.
Yeah, totally. You know, actually, you know, people adore you. We love
Really?
your interviews. You're witty. You're
Nobody
funny.
gives a shit about me at home. Sorry, no, sorry.
वो तो चलिए घर की
Yeah, the
दाल
घर की
है,
दाल,
you know, but you know, and we've seen you these funny, your comic timing again amazing, and you have done serious intense roles in other shows, other films. This one, how was it preparing for it, and what did you think of it when the script was first offered to you?
All right. Script-wise, I loved it, and the reason I'm doing it, very simple. It's a really nice script, well written, very gritty, very intense, and I like the way it's the screenplay goes. I like the shock value of the film. I like the way the case unfolds. I like the way how difficult it is to find this killer. Then the whole journey, the whole new journey of how to convict this guy, because he's so good that he hasn't left any clue. So yes, there is so much in this film to watch. So much in the film to watch. So yes, court story, screenplay wise, actors that were taken, everything for me is bang on and perfect. As far as working on the character, not much, because you just need to sit. I always feel that our human mind is a very, very strong tool. We know that. It's like most powerful thing in the world. The best computer you can ever have. For me, when I hear a script, I think about it and I take the info from my director, I take the info from my writer, I listen to them as much as I can, I talk to them about it as much as I can. And the more they speak, the more it is going in my head. And once I have that picture of that person in my head, it stays there literally till I finish the film. It doesn't go anywhere. It stays in my head. And I may not physically go to a cop station or may not physically do something, but subconsciously it is in my head and I will think about it 24/7. So invariably when I even bump into somebody that resembles something like that, that person will get my attention immediately. So it's like that. So it's in my head and that's how I do it. So for me, character-wise, all seems to have fallen into place, and I expected people to like it, and fortunately, people are liking it. So thank God for that.
So does it? I mean, the method actor definition.
I don't
hota
like
hai.
method acting.
So it's not like you get into a zone.
No, I
and-
don't. I don't. I'm not stupid. I don't believe in method acting. I'm sorry for all the people who do it. It's your choice. Please
So
go.
with
Feel
cut,
free to
it's
do it.
o-
It's
it's
gone
over.
out of the window straight away. All my method lies between action and cut.
Yeah.
Before and after, I'm Arshad. That's it. Having a good time,
Lovely.
getting paid well.
Jitendra. I appreciate that. It was important to mention. इस किरदार में थोड़ा नर्वसनेस लगा कि अभी तक तो लोग बहुत ही सर्वगुण संपन्न लड़के को प्यार से एक्सेप्ट कर
फाइनली असलियत देख लेंगे तब क्या होगा, मेरी शादी कैसी
एंड यू फुल
होगी,
डायलॉग
लड़कियां मुझसे दूर
बाज
भागेंगी,
हूँ और मैं सिर्फ
बाज नहीं आऊंगा।
नहीं, अभी तो मतलब कल प्रीमियर था, बहुत लोगों ने देखी, उन सबको अच्छी लगी।
उन्हें का
मैं
तुम
कल-
ऐसे ही अच्छा लगा देख।
तो उनको जो भी कैरेक्टर है वो काफ़ी अच्छा लगा कि जैसे परफॉर्म हुई, चीज़ें उनके लिए ट्रांसलेट हुई, So I'm
But like
glad.
he said about method actors, is that something you believe in as well?
After asking me, my reply, you think he'll say yes? Even if he does, he will not say, he'll say no.
नहीं, एक तो एक्चुअली पता भी नहीं है कि मेथड एक्टिंग होती क्या है, या मैंने कभी बहुत ज़्यादा जाना भी नहीं.
Very good. इसीलिए तो अच्छा है.
अनट्रेंड एक्टर हैं, मतलब फ्लो में चीज़ें हुई लाइफ में, तो कभी ऐसा स्कूलिंग नहीं हुई, ट्रेनिंग नहीं हुई, तो ऑफ कोर्स पता भी नहीं है कि मेथड एक्टिंग एक्चुअली है क्या. एंड जो भी चीज़ें थिएटर में करते थे उस तरीके से अप्रोच करते हैं सारे कैरेक्टर्स को. बट लाइक पहले इस चीज़ में बिलीव करता था कि हाँ, उस कैरेक्टर के बारे में रिसर्च करो, उस तरह का कैरेक्टर देखो तो उसको, बट वो थॉट आता है कि तब क्या करोगे जब वो कैरेक्टर मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा फिक्शनल है, वो आसपास अवेलेबल ही नहीं है. अगर सुपर हीरो की कहानी तो कैसे इमेजिन करोगे? तो इट्स मोर ऑफ इमेजिनेशन एंड क्रिएटिविटी रादर कि तुम किसी को देख के यू नो वो एग्जैक्टली वो करो. तो एक ऐसा कैरेक्टर तुमको किसी दिन ऑफर मिलेगा जिसको तुम जानते नहीं, जो तुम्हारे आसपास भी नहीं, तब तुम क्या करोगे? सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट इमेजिनेशन, इट्स ऑल अबाउट जो स्क्रिप्ट में लिखा है, जिस तरह से तुम्हें डायरेक्शंस मिल रहे हैं, जिस तरह से तुम्हें ब्रीफ मिल रहे हैं, वो एग्जीक्यूट करो, मतलब डायरेक्टर के अकॉर्डिंग या राइटर के ब्रीफ के अकॉर्डिंग.
No, something about Jitu. When I heard the script, and I heard his character, right? My instant fear was, which is a mistake most actors will do. Okay, he's playing a good boy, and then he's a bad guy. Okay, so when they say now I'm a bad guy, then I'm going to do this. I'm going to act like this.
I will do this.
Yes, sir. That is the worst thing to do. Okay, and I was hoping that he doesn't do that, because the beauty is that I loved 2 seconds back, and the same face and the same conversation, I'm frightened of right now. That's where the fun lies. That is where, so I'm hoping for that, which you will see. I don't know if you haven't seen the film. You'll see that, which is very nice. That's how it should be. It's the same person. He's doing the same thing. But now suddenly you're getting scared of it. Now you suddenly are wary of it. That's very nice. That subtlety is good.
Amazing. So it's safe to say that ये जो हम आप दोनों की performances को देख के कहते हैं बड़े effortless हैं, उस पे भी there's a method to that madness. There is a lot of thread to that. Super. We like your film and we like the two of you. Thank
Thank you very much.